flexing nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes, Jimmy Choo?
Guys, welcome to my channel. It's Sky Asia. Today's video I'm gonna be doing a maintenance. If you're subscribed to me, you know I love me a good maintenance, y'all. I just love a fresh set, looking cute. When you look good, you feel good type shit. Okay, new nails, toes, as you can see, lashes, they need done, y'all. Maybe it's in here. Y'all, I'm dead as fuck. Y'all, look. I told you guys I ripped these hoes off and that's it. It still got the wig cap and everything. It's really not even funny because that just makes more work for me. Clean these. I feel like the best way to really get in there is to boil some hot water and leave the lace sitting in there. I like to put conditioner in it too because I feel like it also just softens the lace in general. But yeah, so I have to work with this. So while this is getting soaked, I'm probably honestly gonna start doing my toes because I don't want to do my lashes, to be honest, until I'm done with my lash client.
Hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps were the facts and they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big.
Okay guys, so I just finished my toes. I'm about to show you guys. My wig should definitely be done now. I just been taking like little bits of glue off. So I was gonna wash it when I wash my hair, but I'm not gonna have enough time to take a shower and wash my hair and do what I want like in 20 minutes. It's 12:30 and my client will be here at 1, so I'm not gonna even try and force that on me. This is how my toes are looking, y'all. Which I don't know, like the white is the French tip is definitely like more classy or whatever. But I do like how the white toes are like more noticeable because it's been a minute since I just had white toes itself. But they're okay, I guess.
Gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babes. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out in cave.
Okay guys, so I took my bonnet off and took the bun out of my hair, so now my hair looks crazy. But y'all see the lashes. Okay, I'm super cute, period. So honestly, I'm not gonna feel like doing my nails, y'all. Like honestly, my lashes, I feel like they took long just because I guess they weren't as filled as I thought. But yeah, it's 9:32. I really could do them tonight, but I know I wouldn't get it done until like 1 o'clock in the morning. And I really don't want to do that, especially if I'm getting up early in the morning to go to the nail store. So I'm gonna wash my hair and put it in 2 braids, and I'm most likely gonna install my wig tonight because I don't think I'm gonna feel like doing it tomorrow morning. Okay guys, so I'm out the shower. I braided my hair the best I could. All I really care about is this being like super flat, which obviously I can't get it that flat, but I'm gonna end up putting these like that and it's gonna be kind of flat, okay? I flicked my ends. My real ends are like up here somewhere. You can kind of see this one sticking out. Oh my god, I just hit my foot. I flicked my ends so they're not just like touching and rubbing against stuff. I honestly don't like having wet hair, and let me see, what time is it? It's 10:52. That's not bad. So I can either install the wig now or do it when I get up in the morning. I feel like I should just install the wig now. especially while I got the energy. That way, like when I get up, I don't have to do my hair. I can just go like straight to the nail store.
You want to tell somebody, better tell them how you let me fuck. I don't want to hear about none of your business, ain't no Glock involved. My mind so fucked up, I see murder chilling in the park. Talk on the net, I make my fault, you going flat as fuck. Real stuff, he got 6 souls, he a preacher. Project everything, he don't get no fuck, he tryna lead some. Niggas know what happened about 4-9 when you bleed. Fuck up in the hole, my bro, put niggas on the teeth. Killing all the rats, I'm robbing all the robbers. I'm real trap star from Vulture Island. Alright, don't move wrong in this bitch, I've been a shot son. Alright, the way he swing his dreads, you think he roster. Alright, the track hawk start sound like it's fired. Alright, I'm cheating with my name, hold right on side. Alright, yee, lot of money, lot of cars, lot of drugs, yee, niggas talking, take his head clean off, yee, molly, molly water, yee, drug sage, yee, fuck me harder, yeah, shake that ass, bitch. Bleed how I bleed. I'm used to putting bitches on their knees, nigga.
Okay guys, so I got the wig installed. Period. I haven't done my baby hairs yet. I'm gonna wait, to be honest, maybe until later tonight, like if I want to get cute for my thumbnail pic. But yeah, I'm gonna do my nails later today. Honestly, if I wanted to, I could leave now and still go to the nail store, but I think I'm gonna just go tomorrow, y'all, and say fuck it. Ooh, I got the hiccups, y'all. I'm done with nails for the day. Excuse my hiccups, but I'm done with nails for today, y'all. I finally get to do mine. I really wish I had did them yesterday, but like I just did not have enough time, y'all. But I'm gonna do my nails, do application, take a food break, because I have not ate today, y'all. And the only reason why I don't want to buy food today is because I know I'm gonna buy food tomorrow and Saturday, because I'm going out to get some content for my Instagram. And yeah, so now it's time to start the nails. This is my inspo. I'm going for like pink and purples, and I'm going for pink, purples, and blues, which normally isn't my style, but I want like some more like funky nails, because like I said, I'm always doing like these princess cute nails, which is nothing wrong with that, but I want you to actually see my nails and be like, oh shit, she did something different.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake.
Okay guys, nails are done. Y'all see that? These look so cute, y'all. It's cute little junk Y2K nails. Yeah, so cute. Okay guys, so next time I tune in, I'm gonna be doing this hair for the finished look. Y'all, I just want to say I'm so sorry, and I feel so dumb because tell me why I thought I was recording myself. Like, usually when I film time-lapse videos, I do it on my phone because I like how it already edits the video fast and it like helps save storage than recording like a 10-minute video on my camera. And so I literally thought it was recording and it fucking wasn't. So that's great, y'all. Anyways, though, I did this cue. This was my inspo for my hair, y'all. I got it from Pinterest. And then, yeah, like, I did my makeup. Here's some pictures, okay? Like, it was really giving, okay? But again, I feel so bad that I didn't get the video of me doing my hair, like, styling it. But yeah, y'all, like, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. And make sure you guys comment videos you guys would like to see. And bye.